Okay guys, so how to buy crypto. In this example I will show you how to buy Bitcoin. So go to Binance, use my link please. So sign up. If you do not have login, just enter your email details like username, password. Once done, click on login. So log into your account. Yes, you need to, it's like an exchanger, so you need to, when you will try to register, you will need to confirm your identity as well. So just upload your ID card and address verification, then you are be good to go. Then you'll be able to log in. So how to log in? So click on login and use your email and password what you just created. Okay, so I will put here my password, and it will ask me to enter a code what will be sent to my email. Sometimes it may ask you to verification code what will be delivered to your phone number. In my case it asked me for email code, so I'll check my phone now and will enter code what I have just received. Okay, security code is entered. So I'm logging to Binance. Here I need to select deposit and deposit by crypto. Yeah. So here we can buy crypto. Okay, so click on buy now. So you can enter amount what you would like to buy, for example $100, and here you can select what crypto you would like to buy. Once done, you can select method, for example card or Google Pay if you want. So click on it, confirm, click on buy BTC and confirm details.